Have you ever wondered what happens to your naturalization journey if life calls you away from the United States for an extended period? When applying for naturalization, an absence from the United States that lasts for 1 year or more generally breaks the required continuous residence for citizenship purposes. However, there is a specific pathway to potentially preserve your continuous residence, which involves filing a special form with United States Citizenship and Immigration Services. The United States naturalization process requires applicants to demonstrate continuous residence in the country for a certain period, usually 5 years, or 3 years if applying through marriage to a United States citizen. This rule exists because the government wants to ensure that individuals seeking citizenship have genuinely established their lives and intentions to remain within the United States. Absences exceeding 6 months but less than 1 year are presumed to disrupt continuous residence, and you will need to provide evidence to overcome that presumption. An absence of 1 year or more automatically breaks this continuous residence unless you take specific action beforehand. If you anticipate being outside the United States for 1 year or more, you must file Form N-470, which is the application to preserve residence for naturalization purposes. This form must be submitted before you depart the United States. To be eligible, you generally need to have accumulated at least 1 year of continuous physical presence in the United States as a lawful permanent resident after becoming a lawful permanent resident. Additionally, your employment abroad must be with specific United States entities, such as the United States government, an American institution of research, a public international organization, an American firm engaged in the development of foreign trade, or a religious organization. Submitting Form N-470 demonstrates your proactive intent to maintain your ties to the United States even while away, which also helps establish your good moral character. There is an application fee associated with filing this form, and the approval allows you to continue counting your time abroad towards your continuous residence requirement. Without this approved application, returning after a long absence means you would typically need to restart your continuous residence period from the date of your return. Understanding and properly filing Form N-470 is a critical step for lawful permanent residents whose work or circumstances necessitate a prolonged absence from the United States. It helps ensure your dedicated path toward United States citizenship remains on track, allowing you to confidently plan your future and effectively address potential challenges to your naturalization eligibility.